Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2016 Jeep Compass High Altitude. Under the hood we have a 2.4-liter i4 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in true blue, and it does have that Jeep badging up front there with the chrome accenting on the grille. You also have your lights, and you do have your projector-style fog lights right there as well. And right over here we do have our general brand tires with our 17-inch rims. You got that Compass badging right there, and you do have your mirrors hanging out right there as well. Coming around to the back here we do have the Jeep badging, the 4x4 as well as the high altitude. You got your backup camera right there, and we can open it up right here. Looks fantastic in here as well. You do have lots of room back here, and it is very soft. You got the extra storage on the side, and you do have your spare tire just underneath there as well. Okay, we got our keys here. We got 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock. We have our remote start there and our panic button just down there. But let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks. You got your handle here, another handle here, and some storage down here with a nice leather finish here. It looks awesome here. The brown leather is throughout the vehicle. Very soft and comfortable, and the seats are electric, so backward and forward, and then the tilt there. And then up here we got the controls over the lights. So we have our off, our daytime running lights and low beams, as well as our fog lights and our in-cabin light control there as well. Okay, let's start up here. Key in the ignition, and we are good to go. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and odometer, as well as fuel gauge and engine temperature. Right in the center there it does tell us how many kilometers we have, which is 75,000. You also have the different options like your trip A and B and the temperature outside. Now that is controlled from right there. And then in the center here you do have your trip options. You have your horn in the center and cruise control options right there. Then we have our controls of our windshield wipers right there. In the center we do have our touchscreen display, so you do have your AM, FM, and Sirius XM. Over here we do have our Bluetooth options. We have our radio, our media options as well. Volume up and down. Then you have your navigation up here. You have the load, menu, audio, and the files. And when you are in reverse, you have that ever useful backup camera keeping you nice and safe. Then down here in the climate control, we got the power up and down with the circulation, temperature and AC, and the mode. And then you got your heated seats, traction control. You have your hazard lights and your heated seats for your passenger side. You have some storage there, gear shift. You have your cup holders with your parking brake. You have your 4x4 control. And then you do also have your armrest that doubles as a storage container. You have a top and bottom layer there. And then over here we do have our glove box. Looks awesome. You have your owner's manual right there. You got your top layer. And then up here you got your lights and control over your sunroof. That looks fantastic. Okay, let's take a look back here. Open this guy up. On the door you have your handle, control over your windows, a handle here, and some storage. And it's that same brown leather throughout. It's very comfortable. You can also fold this guy down just right here. You do have that extra storage if you did need it, and you do have some cup holders right over there as well. And we have our 2.4-liter i4 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2016 Jeep Compass High Altitude. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.